So 2 years ago, I put out a video about putting a router bit in your drill press, and I got a lot of comments on that about how stupid I was for doing that and that I was gonna lose my fingers, my tools in my shop should be taken away from me because I am not safe. Lots of comments like that. People pretty much just calling me stupid. Well, I still have all my fingers. And I haven't done that since I made that video because it is a stupid idea. I agree with you guys. But I recently got a comment on that video that caught my attention. And Angelo says to me, can you put them in a hand drill? I'm pretty sure he is joking, but I'm not. So welcome to another episode of Doing Stupid Stuff with Wes. So my plan for this video is I am going to put some router bits into my cordless drill and we'll see what happens. Now I went through my collection of bits to see what I have and I picked 3 bits that I think will work for what I'm going to try to do. And I have this 1/2 inch straight bit, and then I have this bull nose or ball nose, I don't even know what they're called. It's a funny looking dome tipped bit. I'm gonna try that one. And then I have this 90-degree V-bit that I think will be pretty fun to play around with. You guys are probably thinking this is gonna be a really stupid video and I'm gonna get hurt, but hold on. I don't think I'm stupid and I don't think it's gonna be a dumb video. I think this could, if it works, hopefully, you could use these bits for doing some carving into wood and stuff if that's what you're into. I'm not really into carving. I have a new CNC router behind me here that I can do carving with, so why learn how to do it by hand if I can just, tell the robot to go do it. For this test, I'm going to use this nice soft piece of soft pine, and I figured it's going to work good for this test because it's soft, unlike a hardwood like maple or oak or walnut or something like that. So I figured it'd be maybe less dangerous on a softwood than a hardwood. So let's see what happens. So the first test, I'm going to use this straight bit. Make sure you get it going the right way, that's important. That's a crude way to make a hole. Well, that didn't work. And I think I know what the problem is. My drill, it doesn't have enough RPMs. So I went digging through my drawer full of tools and I found this Dewalt hammer drill. And I'm gonna put that same bit into this and we'll give it a try. Don't worry, I'm not gonna use the hammer setting. I'm just gonna put it on the drill setting. I may look stupid, but I'm not that stupid. Now, when you're using a chuck like this, I don't know what these chucks are called, but the ones with the key, make sure you tighten it using every hole. Just don't tighten one. Make sure they're all equally tight. Let's clamp it down this time. All right, let's give this one a go. It's very important to make sure that your drill is unplugged when you're doing something like this. You don't want to accidentally have that thing turn on and make ground beef of your hand. All right, this little ball nose bit, see what it does. Next up is this little V-bit. It's kind of cute. Let's see what it does. Now out of those 3 bits, I find that this one is the easiest to manage. It doesn't do the cleanest job, obviously, I don't know why, but I thought it would do a really good job. But anyways, I'm going to try to carve something into that piece of wood. Actually, I'm probably just going to write my name. I know the V-carve signs that people are doing right now are really popular, so I'm going to try to make one. So let's go back to the workbench, and we'll maybe try to carve my name or somebody's name. Why did I go for a knot? Man, these rotor bits really suck. I'm gonna write a letter to whoever made these things and tell them they should be fired. So I'm kind of disappointed that didn't really work out well, but also I'm not that surprised. Did it work? Kind of. It had a lot of chip out. I don't know why. It's also a bad idea. I wouldn't do this if I were you. And also, please be kind in the comments to me. And if you're not, my mom is gonna call your mom and you're gonna get into trouble and you won't be allowed to come to my birthday party. And also, if you're not subscribed to my channel yet, please hit that subscribe button and share this video with your friends if you found it entertaining. That would mean a lot to me as well. And like always, we'll see you in the next one.